So quite often we get asked this question by our agent community, how can I get some revenue share from the apps that we're selling for you? It's a very valid question, and I am giving it a lot of thought and trying to balance, because, this is kind of the situation that we see. When we publish an app on Clover, we let Clover, market the app on the app market, distribute it, because that's where people go to, connect without our intervention. They just simply go to the app market, they get the app, they install it. Clover will conduct the trial management, the billing, the collections, and the distribution of funds, right? So all of that is handled by Clover. So sale, billing, and even the first line of support. And they collect 30% from us. So when we sell an app for $9.99, our cut is about $3 less, $2.99 less, right? And so that 30% is, given to Clover when an app is bought for and built for and collected for on Clover. And I feel that, it makes perfect sense. I think, they're entitled to that percentage because, there's certainly, amount of work that they, do to bring in the customer. It's pretty much up to an agent how involved they get in solution selling in general. If they just sell it and forget it and just direct the merchant onto upmarket, well, that's pretty much a Clover sale, right? So they facilitate it for the merchant to find that solution. But if you lead with our app, like if you go out there and you find merchants and you bring them into Clover because of our service, because of the service that CSI Works provides, well, that's a bit different because you're going out there and you're getting that business, right? And this is where I see an opportunity and an opening to allow for both programs to exist, right? So we can have that revenue share with you, the agent, and continue to have the revenue and the distribution share with Clover. And the way that I envision it working is that we can, with you, the agent, have an arrangement or an agreement where you can pre-purchase wholesale the seats from us, and those wholesale seats that you pre-purchase, they will not be expirable. And I'll go into detail on each point, separately to kind of spell out all the details. But essentially, you're buying, just think of us of our software product as a physical product, right? You buy it and you warehouse it, except that our product doesn't require any warehousing space and that does not expire. So you buy seats, and then you deploy your own merchants onto those seats.